Hello guys, good morning. I just got ready and I'm leaving towards college today. I had a good nap. By the way, RCB lost yesterday, but it's a commendable innings by Dinesh Karthik. I mean, to play at this age with this much of strength is commendable. So yeah, I'll see you at the college. बताओ तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था आज? ये कुछ बोरिंग था. हम लोग अभी श्रुति को वेट कर रहे हैं. तुम्हारा वाइवा उसी दिन हो गया था. और ये फैन देखो अपना वाना बी गर्ल बन रही है. पूरा पूरा वाना बी गर्ल. ओहो. I'm gonna cut this part. I'm gonna cut this part.
Why?
I don't like to tell. She's enjoying her fan. और इनका वाइवा कैसा था?
कैसा था? ओके.
ओके. मेरा तो उसी दिन हो गया था.
क्या पूछी? लिमिटेशन ऑफ दैट और क्या बताइए? जो था वो बताओ. क्या क्या बोलते हैं? बताओ. अरे इसका आंसर करो. अरे क्वांटिटेटिव डेटा.
अमीर लोग पीछे देखो. चौरसिया, इतनी अमीर हो जो तुम. एक हाथ में फैन, एक हाथ में छाता, और ये लोग जो लेकर जा रहे भाई भाई. और इसका ये नया बैग. और क्या, नया सॉक्स, नया शूज, पूरा मैचिंग एकदम. आज पटाखा लग रही है तो पटाखा फटता भी है कभी कभी. Okay guys, I am back home. I got ready and Prachi, Preeti and all of these people have come back, and Prachi has started her dominance and Ayan is also playing. Let me show you what I'm eating. I am eating some masala dosa with some chutney from SLN Muddana. So yeah. So my grandmother is putting me the bunch. You went to Banshankari Lazona Lena. So they went. My mother and my grandmother went to Banshankari goddess, and they've got me this as a token of protection. So yes. Yeah, it's tight. कितनी बंद करा. My grandmother's making me some bhakri. So you have to just like knead it and you just make. And this is Ankita Maini. And this is Ankita Maini. I'm not gonna show you. तुम चलो stop back in the future and how she does it. You just see this.
बघा बघा ती बघा. ती बघा.
तुला भाकरी जमत नाही. अंकिता नाही तुम्हाला येते ना.
ती जरा पण असली नाही ती किती छान.
दीदी मम्मा बाजरीची भाकरी with what is this mama? डाळ कांदा मटकीचा. And this is tomato. What is this? Potato ka sabji? Potato sabji. And I'm gonna. Hello guys. So I took a nap. I took a nap before eating food only. I had food, then I was just chilling on the phone. And now me and Prachi. Prachi, are you coming to the gym today? What day is today yours? First day again after such a long time. So I'm heading towards the gym and I'll see you there. Bye. Guys, now I feel like I've come to the gym. Before entering the lift, Prachi gets scared of the cats. And I just can't. I was like, what? Prachi, stop it. I'm telling you, bro, if my camera gets dirty, you don't know how to press it. You don't know how to press it.
Wait.
Why did you close it?
I know.
First time in life you've done that. Also, you know, no. I'll not take you. You're not to be taken in the vlog. Oh, stop it. Minnie meow, Minnie meow. Yeah, Prachi. Yeah, the guy got a
आती बंद कर मार.
Come on, woman, she made people walk to get her cats removed and all. Why do you hate them, bro?
I don't hate them.
They're so chill. Okay, I'm done with the gym and today I did some extra
तो
things.
दिसनाच.
I did some extra things only. I mean, I'm done
दिसना.
again.
अरे.
मला ताकद नाही. Okay, I'm done with the gym.
हाथ
So
कापते.
I did a few extra things only today. Prachi is holding my hand while I'm holding the camera. Prachi, can you hold the camera instead? And today I'm totally drained. Yeah, I'm just too
अरे
drained.
माझा
The leg day. My Prachi's hand is also shivering. I'll go home and get back to it. Bye. Remember, I took three things for 129. It was this place. I got it from here.
दो आएगा क्या टिश्यू?
And Prachi has taken me what?
ये आएगा से
Eating the same dal kanda and bhakri made by mama this time. So yes, I'm gonna also have rice with the same kalwan and some chaat. What is it called, mama? Buttermilk in it. Hey guys, so a very happy Ram Navami to you all. I just got up and I just got ready and I'm rushing towards the college because I'm late. So yeah. And there's a beautiful Harish Krotham plate behind, and I just love that song. See you at the college. So I had my breakfast, and trust me, that place was so crowded. I couldn't even stand what to do. I had to eat my breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you after. I have one more class, that's Hindi. And I'll see you after that. Bye. Yeah, tell, what were you telling?
व्लॉग इंग्लिश है ना?
बोलो, बताओ तुम क्या की हो?
I was telling about.
बेचारी अपने पीजी के स्ट्रगल्स बता रही है, बताओ.
I cannot sleep. It's very hot in Bangalore recently, and I feel, you know.
She hasn't slept today. She's come late to the college.
Sleeping from past 3 days.
Oh my god, everybody.
Yesterday I slept at 2 and then I woke up at 3 in the midnight, and again I was struggling to sleep, and then again I slept at 5 o'clock in the morning, and then again I woke up at 6:30 in the morning, and then this hectic.
It sounds disastrous.
Yeah, and you can figure it with my eyes, like how sleepy I am.
Yeah, she's gonna get like she's ordered few gummies,
Yeah,
the natural gummies. Yeah,
It's actually, you know,
not seductive.
No, it's non-habit forming gummies.
Yeah.
I mean, 5 mg melanin is there, and it's also good for your skin as well. It's actually going to, you know, improve your sleep cycle.
हाँ, right. कुछ बताओ बहन.
तो मैंने तो इसने ये बताया है कि इसको नींद नहीं आती. क्यों नहीं आती? क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत है. सबको पता होगा, नहीं पता तो मैं.
चिल्ला के बात करते हैं.
बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ कि मैं भी कल रात को नहीं थी. मेरी पहली क्लास
मिस हो गई इनकी पहली क्लास. और तुमको ले हम लोग ब्लॉग में नहीं ले. ये हमारी इंट्रोवर्टेड बेलिटा.
बेटा को कैसा लगेगा?
पैसा लगेगा.
When we start earning, give 20%. We are so nice people, you know. We come into your vlog for free.
Yes. Genuine hearts.
We want 10 rupees. Ask them to leave a like and share and subscribe. Make us famous as soon as possible. Yo man.
Yes.
College famous. Make us famous.
Oh, I have to cut this part.
नहीं ये डाल सकते. कितना चलेगा?
नहीं भाई मैं. Okay, so I'm drinking this yummy. I think this is like jaggery and muskmelon juice that they gave over there. So they're distributing that, and there was a prasada, but I didn't eat it because I didn't feel like eating it. I just like took this as an offering, and I'm heading home. I'll quickly take a bath and go to the temple. She is showing how Gudi Padwa is celebrated at. Hello guys, so I'm heading towards the temple now. I'll take the darshan, and I don't think I'll shoot inside. I'll see if it's possible. I'll shoot inside and show you all how they celebrate Ram Navami in a house. took darshan and didn't put tika and it's nothing I put because I couldn't even sit. It was so crowded. So I just took darshan over there and I came back. Prasad also they were not. I mean I didn't take it because I came half the way from the Mangala Aarti because I did legs the other day and my legs are hurting. So I was like, yeah, I think I'm done. Mama has prepared some yummy Frankies and I'm going to enjoy them now and I love it. I'm drinking some, Mama, what is it called? Some gulab jal or roxa, whatever you call it, and I love it. I'm very drained. I'm going to drink this and sleep. I mean, after so many days of me waiting for the Airtel guy to come, Papa has finally called that guy and he has taken all the details. And by today or tomorrow, they will set up the Airtel Wi-Fi, and I should be really happy because a lot of college work also is pending. And yeah, so see ya. So Prachi has got us some yummy suka puris and I'm going to have them. And I'm not going to the gym today because this Prachi cancelled it and when I feel like cancelling it. So yeah, let's enjoy. Love it. So today when I was taking the Majge, I don't know what is it called, Majge, I don't know. There was this lady who's a Muslim, who's Muslim from her, who's from the Muslim religion. She was serving, Majge on Ram Navami. And I felt so good about it. It shows how India is and what the power of Indians is. And that was organized by BJP party. And I felt so good about it. This is inclusivity, this is India, and it made me feel so good today. This is what I'm gonna eat now. This is the tiki puri. This is some bread and this is a chocolate. And my Cheetos Prachi had it. And I stood like for such a long time for getting this done. So guys, so I'm eating chapati and I guess it's a dal or something, and it's made in a very gravy. I don't know what it's called, but we call it suki dal. That's what I call it. So yes. Hello guys, so I mostly video call. I've never told this in my vlog. I quite frequently video call my female best friend / my sister, Priyanka Devan, and I call her like every day. Mostly it's 2 to 3 times, and it's a therapy speaking to her. She is such a sweetheart. Her mother, her parents are such a sweetheart. They watch my vlogs and they love watching me. So lots of love through my vlog, auntie, uncle, and Priyankeshwari and all others in her family, Kushi, her daima, her bade papa, etc. I'll end today's vlog here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Jai Hind.